Namaste children. What we learned from last class? Yes, that is food and nutrition. Before going to class, I am going to ask some questions. So overall, say the answer correctly. I will give one of the fruit. So look at here, what are the fruits here? Apple, pineapple, orange, grapes, pomegranate, pear, mango, strawberry and banana. If you say the answer correctly, I will give one fruit to you. Are you ready, children? Yes? So what is nutrition, ma? Please anyone tell me what is nutrition? Yes, very good. Daily we are eating food, no? Food gives us energy, very good. Food gives us energy to do all the activities. Okay. So, food contains some substance. Food contains some substance. That substance we are using in different way. So, that substance is called nutrition. Yes, very good. You are all very brilliant children, no? That's why you are telling the answer correctly. Very good children. So, what is nutrition? Food contains some substance. That substance is called nutrition. So I am already told nutrition can divide into 5 major parts. How many major parts? 5 major parts. Can you list out the 5 major parts, please? Tell me. Yes. Very good. That is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 major parts that nutrition contain. We need water and rough phase also. Okay. So nutrition gives us energy. Nutrition gives us energy. Very good. Nutrition gives us energy. Then it will help to build our body. Then it protects us from disease. Shall we move to our class? Okay, ma'am. Children, listen. From today class, we are going to see carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Okay. So look at here. Carbohydrates. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Carbohydrates. Proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. Fats. F-A-T-S. Fats. So these vitamins, minerals, water, phase we will see in the next class. Okay. So from today class we are going to see carbohydrates, proteins and fats. We will see one by one briefly. Okay children. I am going to show you some pictures.
Listen children. First we are going to see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving component of the food. We can obtain carbohydrates in the form of sugar, starch and dietary fibers. People who do a lot of physical work, they need to eat a large amount of carbohydrates. Children listen, if you are going to work hard physically, your energy will lose. So, carbohydrates give us quick energy to do the work properly. Okay children? Grains, potatoes, bananas and sugar are the main source of carbohydrates. So, you must eat carbohydrate. It will give energy to you children. Listen children, this is a quick check. Why do some tennis players eat bananas between games? Anyone know the answer? Yes children, very good. Banana provides a quick source of energy to help tennis players to stay alert and energetic. While playing, they are lost their energy. That's why in between they are eating bananas to get energetic to play. Okay children, is it clear? Next we are going to see proteins. Proteins are the body building foods. Carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. Proteins are the body building foods. Our body needs portions to grow and to repair worn out and injured parts, as well as for regulating various body functions such as digestion. Listen children, growing children need more portions than adults. Growing children need more portion than adults. Dals and beans, soya, milk, cheese, meat, eggs and fish are good sources of proteins. So you have to eat protein rich food daily. Okay children? Children listen. Here I list out plant source of protein and animal source of proteins. You have to read the given words ma. Then look at your book. In page number 39, quick check. Circle the plant sources of protein and underline the animal sources. So read the given words and you have to underline the animal sources and circle the protein sources. Okay. So children, proteins are the body building foods. Shall we move to the next one? Next, fats. Fats are energy storing foods. Fats also give us energy. We get more energy from fats than we do from carbohydrates. The body stores some of the fat that we eat and use it later. Fats help to keep the body warm. Butter, oil, meat and nuts are rich in fats. Butter, oil, meat and nuts are rich in fats. The energy that our body gets from 1 gram of fat is more than 2 times what it gets from 1 gram of carbohydrate. So children, fats also give us energy. Fats are energy storing foods.
Children, you have to read this in your home. Okay. So what is carbohydrate, what is protein and what is fat? You have to read this in your home. Then you have to list out some objects. Okay, some fruits name, some vegetables name. For example, okay, carbohydrate means you have to list out 5 names. Proteins you have to list out 5 names and list out 5 object name. Okay. For carbohydrates, potato, rice like that. Proteins, dal, okay. And fat, oil, ghee, like that. You have to list out. Write it on your note also children. Okay, thank you children. Ram Ram Namaste.